Remember, it's never too late. So if you're here, if you're later in life, or you're just finding out about the spirit world meditation and you're just tapping into this, don't worry. The spirit world doesn't have the same time as us, meaning your guide, your higher self, which is what we're going to talk about today, your loved ones. There is no time in that world, and in this world that we are all with. The door is open. So all we are doing tonight, and you just being here, tells the spirit world that you're open, tells your loved ones that you are learning how to connect with them, tells your guides, I'm ready to work with you, to tell your higher self that you're tired of suffering and you really want help from that greater supernatural self. And we're going to talk into that.
Are you ready to connect with your spirit guides, angels, and loved ones? I'll show you how in my 2-part free Spirit Pathway workshop. You'll learn how to access healing wisdom, messages, support, and love waiting for you. Sign up today.